All right, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects from Artlist into your Premiere Pro file. So as you can see, we're working off of a video here.
Then we can find ourselves having a lot of conflict with people.
And there's a little slide right here, right in the video.
Then we can find ourselves.
So we want a little like shoo, or like shoo, or like pew. Maybe not that one, but you get the point. All right, so we're going to come up here. All right, making sure we are. All right, let's come to artlist.io. Let's click the search icon. We can go ahead and select sound effects, and we're going to say transition. Okay. A lot of different sound effects on Artlist. Like, they have all kinds of stuff. Let's go ahead and select transition. Let's say cinematic. So it's giving us suggestions to add. Let's see if we can add like text here. Or like up here. There we go. I think this could work. All right, now we can play with the speed. So let's go ahead and download this sound effect by coming to the right, clicking the download icon, and then downloading the WAV file by clicking WAV. It's going to be the same for a lot of these audio tracks. Just click download here. I'll go ahead and drag this straight in to my timeline. And then it's a matter of finding the start animation, which is right here. I'm going to drag the sound effect so that it kind of starts right before that. Let's watch it.
Then we can find.
All right, so
Then we can.
it's a little low. I'm going to double click this sound effect. I'm going to bring down the volume so it's a little less quiet. And I'm going to change the speed duration. Let's try slowing it down. That might be the not work though.
Then we can find out. Then we can.
Let's see what it sounds like if we speed it up.
Then we can.
Okay.
Then we can find.
Speed it up a little bit more. Let's go to 150.
Then we can find ourselves.
Sounds good. And I'm going to double click it. And then I'm going to bring down the audio a little bit.
Then we can find ourselves for stages. Then we
could add an echo effect. So let's go ahead, type in echo. Whoops, it's the analog delay. Let's go ahead and add that.
Then we can find ourselves.
Makes it sound a little like more washed out because it is a background sound effect. So
then we can find ourselves.
I think that sounds good.
Then we can find ourselves having.
We can also bring it in so you hear a little less of the echo.
Then we can find ourselves having live stages.
And then we can drag a fade, search for fade effect. Drag that exponential fade at the end of this sound effect. We can drag that sound effect there, and then we can fade it in as well.
Then we can find ourselves having.
All right, let's watch this.
Stages. Then we can find ourselves having a lot of stages. Then we can find.
I'm gonna just turn it down just a little bit. Just background sound effect. Let's bring it down to 17.
Then we can find ourselves having a lot of conflict with people and even conflict with our.
All right, now as this animation comes back down, I want to show you guys something here. All right. All right, so that's it. We successfully added that sound effect. Now, if you're interested in learning how to reverse the sound of sound effects, or how we would take this intro sound effect and turn it into an outro sound effect, recording a separate tutorial for that here.